Hello everyone, welcome to Coral Toys. Today we're going to open up Sophia the first mailbox and 2 Play-Doh eggs. What do we have here? It's a flag. And Sophia in clover, and it says sweet and true. Would you like to be her royal valentine? Oh, look at that. It's a purple ring. It's like her amulet. And ever after high nail polish. Oh, it's a little pink purse. Let's see what's inside. It's a bracelet. And it's made of candy. More nail polish. And another ring. It's a crown ring. Oh, I like this one. Oh, it's a stamp. It's a blue butterfly. Oh my goodness, there are so many rings in here. Oh, this one opens. It's lip gloss. It's Clover. Do you see him? And some stickers. I think I want a Sophia sticker on my hand. What do you think? Wow. It looks like we're going to have a feast. Little flowers. And a candelabra. And a little cake. And a little picnic. Oh my goodness, look at this adorable glass. Oh, that's Amber. That's Amber and Sophia. I think this is Amber's fan. And 2 plates. she can sit down in her chair. And this is Amber with her golden hair and her golden dress. How beautiful. Shall we give her her fan? Oh, look at this. Beautiful hairbrush. Perfect. And they have a little castle dollhouse. Well, that's all. I hope to see you again soon.